This video will walk you through troubleshooting an F89. The overrun limit switch did not close at the correct test angle. F89 and other 80s series faults are all timing faults. All have to do with one or more timing flags overlapping. The auto carry-up flag, the mute limit flag, the top stop flag, and the overrun sensor flag. First, we will find your current settings involved in timing. You must find your option switch 1 and 2 settings, your top stop angle, and your overrun on and off angles. In order to find your option switch 1 and 2 settings, check switch block S101 on the processor board and record current settings for switches 1 and 2. Switches on the numbered side are off or open, and the ones on the opposite side are on or closed. Next, we will find your current top stop angle. With the stroke select switch in inch mode, press the reset button repeatedly to cycle down to the bottom group of 4 LEDs and highlight top stop angle. Then, record the number on the screen. Lastly, we will find your current overrun angles. To find your overrun on and off angles, have the stroke select switch in the inch mode. Stroke the press around one time, then press the reset button repeatedly to highlight stopping time. Turn the plus/minus key to plus and record the overrun on angle. Then, turn the key to minus and record the overrun off angle. Once you have your timing parameters, you then use table 3-3 from the WPC1000 user manual to find the correct mounting angle for your overrun sensor magnet. For example, you calculated that your top stop on angle is 284 degrees, which falls in the 271 degrees to 300 degrees column in table 3-3. The correct mounting angle for the overrun sensor magnet would then be 330 degrees. See figure 3-5. Finally, after your top stop angle and option switches are set correctly, inch the press to the target overrun angle and center your actuator magnet under the magnetic switch. Be sure to leave at least a 1/8 to 3/16 gap between the magnet and sensor. To verify that your overrun sensor is working, you can check the green LED in group 2 on the processor board and verify it turns on when the blue magnet is in front of the sensor. After your magnet and sensor are set, stroke the press in inch and see if the press makes a full cycle without stopping. If so, then turn stroke select switch to single stroke and try to cycle the press. You should be able to get a full cycle without any timing faults. Then, try continuous. For further assistance troubleshooting this or other fault codes, please call 800-586-8324 and select option 2 for technical support. Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. until 5 p.m. Eastern Time.